Hey, good morning, traders. Rick here. Before we get started looking at charts and talking about the market on this Wednesday morning, I want to remind you that we have our free SMS text alerts that we send out. Check below the video here in the comments if you would like to do that, and there's a link in there. It's a simple registration. And anyway, if you do that, you should start receiving text alerts. If you don't, please send me an email, and I will see what I can do about getting that resolved for you, okay? Hey, thanks. Hey, stay here for a second, and let's take a look at this some charts today and what the market's up to. Thanks. There we go. Recorder's running. I have my dark chart up. We're going to switch to the other chart right after this. But I think this chart really paints a very nice picture. And the picture is that this market is bullish, okay? I saw something on, I don't know where I saw it, tell you the truth. Something about traders are really kind of hating this market. And it's kind of true. I think that's very true. A lot of traders, they're fighting the trend. They want the trend to go up, but they want the trend to go down. They want everything to fail. Maybe so they could be right. I don't know. But this chart is bullish every which way from Sunday. The trend is up. Price is up with a normal pullback. There's no major sell signals in here. The price currently, oops, wrong one. Let me get my pen here. There we go. And yellow. Price is above the T line, and T line is above the trend indicator. I mean, I don't know what more to ask for. I don't know what more to tell the bull haters to back off, because the bulls seem like they have control of this market. And so my suggestion is don't fight it. Follow the trend. Pretty much simple. Okay. All right. Let's get. Woo! I'm sorry. I was going to warn you to put some sunglasses on. Sorry, I didn't do that. I needed to. So anyway, market remains bullish. So for the most part, I'll remain bullish. I do have a short on. Somebody mentioned to me yesterday, this is a stock picker's market, meaning there are plenty shorts that could be traded, and there's plenty longs that could be traded. Just don't get confused with them. Trade what you're comfortable with, and don't be afraid to pump the brakes if things get a little wacko on you. All right. So Devinda there is mentioning Rivian already. Yeah, Rivian is up pretty big here. For those that got that, congratulations. We sent that text alert out here. Actually, it was 11:14, I think. And man, that just this moved up more than anyone can imagine, I think. So, congratulations that those that have it. If you're looking to trade it, I think we should pump the brakes for a tiny bit. Let the market open up, and let's just listen to what the chart has to say here. So. A little bit of drama there, a little bit of big news, and we'll certainly be following this as days to come, okay? So nice job on those that have that. Let's take a look at IWM. There's nothing about IWM that suggests that the bulls are trying to pick up some kind of steam in here. They're still down. I've tried to be bullish on the IWM. I look at the monthly, and that is still a bullish chart, okay? But we're going to have, the daily chart is not cooperating, and that's what we trade off of. But the monthly is bullish. I don't know how anyone can put a bearish spin on this monthly chart. Price is above the T line is above the trend indicator is above the 50-period moving average. You have a low, you have a high, and you're currently creating a higher low. We're also, if we take these lows and just move it across, you can see that we've broken out and we're testing. So On the bigger picture of IWM, yes, that is bullish to me. If you look at the weekly chart, you can see that we're a little bit of a topping sign. We're kind of moving down. But if you just consider the moving averages and where we are still very much trending up. We have a low. We do have a failed lower double top, but we have a higher low. Let it breathe a little bit. And the daily is clearly pointing to the downside. Okay. Diamonds, just moving sideways. Actually, I would, I don't have anything to say about the diamonds, good or bad, until it does one of two things. One, break out. Two, break down. Otherwise, it's just chopping along in here, really not doing anything. Qs, there they are. Qs here. There's nothing wrong with that trend. There's nothing here. We don't need any. Let's get rid of that. Look at what's wrong with that trend. Price remains. There we go. Price remains of the T line above the T line. T line remains above the trend indicator here. And you've got other moving averages down here are going to be popular ones are like the 20. The 30 is popular. 34 EMA is popular. A lot of people use the 40. And then you've got the 50 period moving average. Everything's working. Price is shady. No question about it. Price is a little shady. So we need to, price just needs to work itself out. It's like a bad hair day. It just needs to fix its hair. Or, I don't know, bad breath day maybe. Something like that. Needs some deodorant. But it'll fix itself. And when I say fix itself, just give us a good direction. Right now the direction is up, but sloppy price action. If this thing wants to drop, then drop. Get it on. Do it. I dare you. And we will trade it moving down. Okay. With that said, let's see. I did not spend a whole lot of time this morning looking at charts, to tell you the truth. Shop. This is what I'm currently holding. Shop looks like it's moving up right here. First target is going to be this area of about 68.30 right there. And then second target. Up right there, 70. We'll call it 71 up there. So right now, shop is looking pretty good. You've got a beautiful cup and a handle being formed right here. Bullish J hook, if you want to call it that, you can do that as well. There's the J hook right there. So that's looking pretty good. Nice little bullish engulf, and so far we've got follow through to the upside there. Apple, let's look at some Apple here. Apple is still hanging in there. This is another one I own a little bit on. I've been wanting Apple to drop down so I can buy it more down here, but hey, it just might not drop down. You never know. You can't predict those kind of moves unless the candle is just obvious. And right now, there's nothing obvious that says we're going to go down there. And that's okay. We're talking about an area anyway. A buying area. First target, 218 up there, and second one about 230 up there. Oxy setting up. I'm looking to buy some Oxy. I want to see how it handles this 50% retracement. If Oxy would pull back, kind of tag the T-line a little bit, I could see a buy down lower. I'll watch it for a breakout, and if I can catch that, I'll do the same. Before the end of the day, I just might like Oxy in here and just buy the whole thing. What are we thinking here? Where's your stop? My stop's going to be down here. And when you think about it, that's less than 2%. So maybe I'm just going to buy Oxy this morning and be over with it. Zim. I think I like Zim. Nice organized candles right here. See how we gapped up? Went sideways a little bit with an upward tilt to it. See how the T-line is tilting up? Trend indicator's right below it. I think Zim is looking pretty darn good. eBay. eBay might be trying to move up. So what I like about eBay is the way we came up, broke through the 50 period moving average here. I came back through it, I guess. And then back down, well, we tested here up and tested again. And now we're putting that little resting sideways chart pattern in. Pop out of the box sideways here. So I'd keep an eye on some eBay. A PSX is one I like on the energy side. I like that because of the rounded bottom here. Very clean. Also bouncing right off the 200 period moving average here. First target's going to be, for me, obviously the 50 period moving average, which is not a big deal, and it's not that I would close it up there, but that's the first place that we're probably going to see a little bit of disturbance in price before it goes higher. So I think that's pretty good. I think that's what we have. Now let's see what we can do today. Remember, number one is enjoy what you do. And if you're losing money or you find it difficult, you need to kind of pump the brakes on it and figure out how to make it enjoyable. A few simple rules will do that, okay? So we'll see you in the trading room, okay? You guys take care. See you at the bottom of the hour. Let's have some fun today. Thanks.